Hi all, today we are going to learn how to read and print the data from a text file using Python. So for that we need a text file which I already created on my desktop with the name of sample. Let me open this file and here I can find that some data is available. Now I would like to read all this data using Python and I want to print it on the console. So let me close this text file and go to PyCharm where you can write the programs for Python. So for that initially we need to create one file. So I have created already before with the name of read.py, and now we can go with the coding. So I want to read the data from a text file. So for that in Python, so we have a method called open. So I would like to start with the keyword with open, and here we can find three arguments. One is file, and the second one is mode, and third one is buffering. As of now I'm using only two arguments. One is file name and the second one is mode. And coming to the first argument, the file name, that is sample.txt, is my text file name, and along with that I would like to give the exact path for this text file where it is located. So let me minimize this window and go back to the desktop screen and right click on the text file and go to properties, and here we can see that the exact path for the sample.txt file. Click on OK and back to PyCharm, paste here, and this is a exact path for sample.txt, and I'm done with the first argument, the file name, and the second one is the mode. So it will tell you what kind of task you're going to do with this text file. And if you want to write anything to the text file, we can mention that w in the mode, or else if you want to append something to sample.txt, you can write it as a, or else if you want to read the content from the sample.txt, you can mention as r. As of now I'm going with the r because I want to read all the data from the text file, so I'm mentioning as r, and I want to store these information in a variable called f. Enter, and I want to see the data which is available in the variable f. Let me click on run here. Now we can see that the object is created with a name and the mode r, read mode, right? So my intention is I want to read the data from this variable f. For that, what I can do is lines equal to f.readlines. So we have a method in Python, readlines, where it can read all the information from a text file. So now I stored in a variable called lines. Fine. Now I want to print the lines here, the variable lines, and let's see. Yes, now we can see that all the values, whatever is available in the sample.txt, we can see here, but it is printed in a list format along with new line. But our requirement is to get all the values line by line, right? So for that, what I can do is I can iterate the lines variable here by using for loop. Remove this line, use a for loop, and for I in lines and print I. So what it can do is in the lines right now all the data is available. So I'm taking one by one every line into I, and I'm going to print it on the console. Once you save that, click on run here. Now you can see all the values, whatever is there in the sample.txt, now we can see on the console. So this is how we can read and print the data from a text file using readlines method in Python. Thank you for watching this video.